Hey guys, we are at Walmart. We're gonna do Black. You're so cute. We're gonna do Black Friday sale.
We're gonna try to do Black Friday
We're gonna
sale.
try to do. We're gonna
a tent.
See,
we're making an tent.
We're gonna see if it's very busy, but it looks like it's very busy because the parking lot's packed. We're like parked at the outer end of Walmart, so we're gonna try. We're gonna see what's on sale. Did you have anything in mind that you want to buy aside from?
Oh yeah, I want to buy a new TV. I want to buy earbuds.
Earbuds, like cotton buds.
I want to buy cat food. I want to buy
orange juice for his diabetes. Yeah.
Strips. I want to buy, maybe go ahead and just get like a little Christmas shopping out the way because I'm cheap like that. I'm just joking.
So yeah, we'll see what's on sale. I kind of want to buy a TV, but also I don't also.
Well, no, we'll see. It's pretty crowded. We're here way in the back, like we're at the area where people park to sleep. But
oh my God, did you see that guy? He bought a TV.
Oh, good for him.
So ayun na nga, namimili na. Halika na, love. Please, love. I cannot give love. Nothing. Panic siya. Love, come on na. Halika na. Let's do this, guys. Come on. Dami nilang pinamili. Sana tayo rin. Excited. Yung warrior. Ayan. Pulis ka. Para walang gulo. This is how much we spent at Walmart with tax. Oh, 157. You can't see it. 157. Just look at our cute sweetheart. Oh my God. One more. Nakakagigil. Ang cute niya. Ang cute. Boop! Hanky! So we spent $157. Actually, it's really not bad for all the stuff that we got. So we're doing a haul. No, love. Sleep. You will fall off. Do you think this was on clearance?
No.
Okay. So the first item that we got. Well, this wasn't really the first. Actually, this was the last item that we got. But gusto ko talaga siya. I really wanted it, and because it's this for storage. Ayan, it's set. It was for $25.
Hello! We did not say hello yet!
Oh, that's fine. They know us. 10-pack container set. Oh, $25. Yeah, I don't think this was on clearance. I just got it. It wasn't on the stack or anything like that. Okay, the next one. Tell them, love.
So the next one... Wait, hold on. For those that don't know, today is Black Friday.
Well, technically, it's Thursday. It is.
So anyway, we don't really do Black Friday shopping. We were just feeling adventurous. So this was one of the super deals.
Yeah, at first I was like, tingnan mo nga, are they sure? Is it 19 or maybe it's for the ink the beloved. I asked. Maybe it's the price of the ink. But no.
Anyway, we got a printer. It's a wireless printer. You can print from any wireless device. It's also a scanner. It's Canon, so you know it's a good, well-known brand. And it was $19.
Okay, specifically it's the Canon Pixma TS3122. Obviously it's not the highest end, but whatever. It was $19.
So now we don't have to borrow people's printers anymore.
We did that one time. Well, we don't actually need one, I don't think, but you know. It was $19. What the heck?
We got a thing for our Instant Max camera. The little tiny Curva.
Instant Mini.
The mini Polaroids. We got this. Usually this is like 20 bucks. Got it for like $13.
Or maybe more expensive than that. Yeah, but we got it for $13.
So we had Thanksgiving with my Nana, and we might have accidentally taken a lot of her Tupperware. So we got her a new set of Tupperware.
It's 38-piece set for $7. Hey, 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 hey.
Next is a leggings for Trixie because she has a
Wow. Thanks, huh? Fleece. It's ultra soft. Wow. Add ultra soft fleece lined footless tights. 2 pair for $7. So I bought 2. So apat na total. Where are they?
Here's the other one. Same thing.
And I got Brianna and Brielle matching pajama set for $7.50. Yeah, $7.50 each. And then unicorn. So this one's Frozen. And then this one's My Life As. My Life As?
My Life As.
Yeah.
It's literally what it says.
And then I got myself cute pajama. It's fleece, diba? This is fleece. For $10. And then what else we got? Bathroom mat non-slip bath rug memory foam for $5 each. Mura lang, diba?
Because the old other ones are kind of starting to look gross because the cats have thrown up on them and feet have been on them.
Ew.
You know.
And then Andrew got, what did you get?
A plastic bag. I got Final Fantasy XII HD Remaster for the Switch.
How much was it for?
It was one of their early bird sales, and it was for $25, so it was literally half off.
I have a surprise for you. Kitty.
I've actually never beaten this one, and I've tried to start it like 2 or 3 times, and I always get sidetracked. But now that it's on the Switch and it's remastered, and they've done a bunch of updates to it, like you can change your job out instead of having to be stuck with it once you pick it. They did some balancing in it because there were some balancing issues. And so it's also on the Switch, so I can take it around with me like whenever we go flying and stuff, and now I don't have an excuse.
That's right.
I mean, I do have an excuse because I'm like real constipated on that right now. But...
Sorry, the cat was jumping on the...
Anyway, so that was our Walmart Black Friday. We were thinking about going to Target, but somebody said that she was tired.
I was tired now. Oh, what can you say? Did you like all the items that were for
I think
sale?
this was the best thing. Half off, half off.
Yeah. Well, I thought they were gonna have more items for sale, like more gadgets, but really
They had a lot of TVs, but we don't really need a TV.
I want a TV. There was a TV for 50-inch. I forgot the brand. I think it was what was it Vizio or something. 50-inch TV, 4K resolution for 250. 250 or 270. Oy. Love it. Oh, baby. Sorry. So, yeah, we didn't get, but Yeah, they didn't really have a lot.
They had a lot of stuff that we didn't need. There was like sound bars.
There were so many toys. Like, if Brianna and Brielle were here, they would love. Like, if
Who's
only
Brianna
I
or
could.
Brielle?
My nieces, though.
Well, there's people that watch this
Oh,
that
okay.
don't know that.
But anyway, yeah, like, yeah, they would really, really enjoy because there were so many kids' toys just like everywhere, and they were really cheap. Like, good find $5 Barbie dolls, or even cheaper. But yeah, I had fun, but I was very tired.
I wanted to go to Target and Best Buy, but somebody was tired. But that's okay.
I wanted to
'cause
go
we
to the outlet,
go.
but
we can do online shopping.
well, that's true. That's very true. Did you see his
What?
trick? He went around the tripod.
That's a very good trick. Oh, he's gonna do it again.
I wish you guys can see it. He's so cute. Hank! And he barks too. Our cat barks.
Anyway, so yep, that was our Black Friday. Tell us what you think. If we got a good deal, or if we got ripped off, or you think
He got ripped off
if you
by
think
the printer.
you know. Another good thing is that coming in the beginning of the year, Jollibee's coming to Dallas.
Yay! I'm really excited about that. January, right? 2020?
I don't know.
Anyway. Alright. Bye, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell button to get notified of our future videos.